Welcome to the Ardwolf A1 installation video. Here are the parts included with the A1 lock. Installation is simple, with only a screwdriver needed. The first step is to insert latch into door. Square hole should be parallel with the ground. Screw the faceplate into the door, then attach strike plate to door jamb. Place rubber seal on outside chassis. Insert the chassis wire through the door hole, then slide outer chassis into door. Connect the wires from the inside and outside chassis together. Then carefully arrange wire in empty space and attach inside chassis. To secure the door, put the mounting screws into chassis. Then put inside lever onto chassis. Use the Allen wrench and Allen screw for inside lever. Tighten Allen screw onto lever. Lever catch is needed for the outside chassis lever. Place lever catch on lever spindle. For left-handed door, lever catch is on right. The two pegs on inner spindle should be horizontal. Use a flathead screwdriver to adjust this. Put cylinder into outside lever. Then insert key and turn clockwise 90 degrees. Place outside lever onto chassis. Turn key counterclockwise and remove the key. The final step is to remove the back cover from the chassis and install batteries. Insert 4 AA alkaline batteries and reclose the cover. That's it. Congratulations, installation is complete.